The kittens are going crazy, scattering in all directions because the kitten room is super duper clean. I mean, I did everything. Fresh linens, the floor is swept and mopped and steam cleaned. Litter boxes are clean. You could literally just eat off the floors. I spent 3.5 hours making this place spotless because they have had diarrhea lately, but all of that is over. Ooh, Mario, are you going? It's just, oh no, you can't climb on me. Hi, are you so sweet? They have the Zoomies in a very serious way. I love it when the kittens get this way. Luigi is passed out. He had a big day. He had a big day. He had a bunch of food at lunch and he's still got a fat belly. And Thelma is stalking Louise. And then Mario is beginning to play, which is very exciting. I love the sound of their little paws, like thundering on the hardwood floor. This is just the best part about having a kitten room. Ooh. No, don't knock over my drink. Stop it. And Mario is just going after that little toy. Oh, don't. Thank you. Do not knock it over. Oh, big jumps. They are so freaking cute. I can't stand it.